Welcome to Mathematics for All by Neomath. Today we are going to discuss Class 9 NCERT Mathematics Chapter 1 Number System, expressing non-terminating repeating decimal in P by Q form. It's an introduction video. So what is non-terminating repeating decimal? In a decimal, a digit or sequence of digits in the decimal part keeps repeating itself infinitely. Such decimals are called non-terminating repeating decimals. Here I am classifying all the problems under this topic into two types. Type 1 is simple recurring decimal and type 2 mixed recurring decimal. Let's see some examples for type 1 simple recurring decimal. So what is simple recurring decimal? So actually in simple recurring decimal, all the digits after the decimal point are repeated. Okay, that is the bar is over all the digits after the decimal point. Say for example 0.3 with bar over 3, isn't it? So that is 0.333 and so on. So all the digits after the decimal point are repeated. So here 0.56 with bar over 56. So 0.5656 and so on. 0.786 with bar over 786. 0.786, 786 and so on. So here all the digits after the decimal point are repeated and the bar is over all the digits after the decimal point. Hope it is clear. Okay, now we discuss mixed recurring decimal. So in mixed recurring decimal, some digits after the decimal point do not repeat and the other digits are repeated. See, but in simple recurring decimal, all the digits after the decimal point are repeated. But in mixed recurring decimal, some digits after the decimal point do not repeat, some digits, and the remaining digits are repeated. For example, 0.05 with bar over 5. Here the digit after the decimal point does not repeat and the remaining digit 5 is repeating. Yes. Okay, second example is 0.1234 with bar over 34. The digits after the decimal point 1 and 2 do not repeat but 34 is repeating. Correct? Yes. So we have discussed simple recurring decimal and mixed recurring decimal. Simple recurring decimal, all the digits after the decimal point are repeated. In mixed recurring decimal, some digits after the decimal point do not repeat and the remaining digits are repeated. Hope it is clear. In the next video, we will discuss type 1 and type 2 problems. Thank you, children.